Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back on my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about heart shaped cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both home and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you're new to my channel, then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. Then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. That is most beautiful and most amazing designs. Please like, share, comment and on my YouTube video. How to decorate your cake the beautiful way. I provide you simple cake design for your beautiful way in different videos and different designs. If you are interested in these types of designs, and then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. And I hope you enjoy my video. And I hope you love my cake designs. And I hope you love the creativity. I hope all the designs are very fantastic. I hope all the designs and their creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it. If you are interested in these types of design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys to watching, to share, to like my YouTube video. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas or specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday, personal life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you're new to my channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys to watching, to like, to share my YouTube video. I hope you enjoy my video. You can use a theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, groom shower, anniversary or any other celebrations. Consider these themes core matching the occasions. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure birthday cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also to try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make better decoration ideas, cake decoration or another celebration ideas, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.